Do you get frustrated because you are constantly, regularly, even frequently giving your partner compliments that somehow or another they just don't receive, right? It doesn't impact them. Either they don't believe it or whatever, they just kind of brush it off. And it's frustrating, right? Because you're trying, you're doing the right things, and it's not being well received. I'm Beth Darling, your sexy genius, and I totally get it. I so understand it. I've been on the giving end of it. I've also been on the receiving end of it, where it didn't matter what anybody said, I had trouble receiving compliments. So you're not alone. This happens all the time. Now, you clearly can't change your partner. You can't change them and turn them into somebody who is willing to accept compliments. But I'm telling you that you can make it easier for them to receive your compliments. And it's very easy. Here's what you do. You stop giving big, broad, general compliments, and you give very specific, non-exaggerated compliments, right? That's all there is, right? Okay, now let me explain what I mean. Every time somebody says to me, oh, you look so good tonight, or oh, you're so beautiful, or oh, you're so sexy. Well, you know what? I appreciate it, I do. But that doesn't just register, that just feels like confetti, right? When there's a whole lot of confetti, you don't particularly pay attention to the details. You're just like, oh yeah, there's confetti. So when people give me big, broad compliments, I hear, okay, they like me, they're appreciating me, they're expressing that to me. Thank you, great. But you know what I do here? What I do here is when, well, think of it, if like a tennis ball or a baseball hits you on the head, you notice that, right? It's not just confetti. It's too big. It's too solid. It's solid. It's hard to ignore. So I notice compliments like, oh, wow, I love those shoes. Those are really great shoes and they make your outfit. Okay, that's specific. That's not just like confetti. People don't just go walking around throwing that out everywhere. That's specific. So then, even if I want to kind of blow it off, part of me goes, oh, wait, that is unusual. Boom, right? Ball hits head. Okay, let me process this. Okay, some other ones. You could say, your hair looks really beautiful tonight. Okay, that is specific. Did you do something different? Or, oh, I noticed you got it cut. Or just the way the style is going, you know? Or, oh, your hair really smells delicious tonight. That is very specific. Doesn't just feel like confetti. Different things like, okay, if you like a woman's dress, just, oh, I like that dress. Again, that just sounds like whatever. But if you say, I love that color on you, the color of the dress or the pattern or the cut, or I love the way your boobs look in that dress. Damn, your ass looks awesome. Or that is the perfect length because I see your legs and it's just, yeah, I just want to touch them all night. Okay, those are very specific compliments that don't ring false. I mean, because again, do not give a false compliment. That's just bullshit. No. I want you to be sincere. Okay, so, and here's the thing now, let's talk about, let's say your partner, God knows I've been there, right? I was fat, I was bloated, I was just, I felt like shit. I didn't show up in the world looking great. It was hard for my partner to find something attractive about me, okay? When that happens, and it will, even the most beautiful person has some days where they're like, eh. So when that happens, I want you to specifically zone in on and just go, oh my God, your eyes are just shining tonight. Or, damn, when you smile, you light me up, okay? Don't give her bullshit about, oh, you look so good when she knows it's not true. And she knows you don't believe it's true. That just sucks, okay? Because then what you're teaching her is not to believe your compliments. Oh, and I'm sorry, I say her because I'm on this, but it works for men too, right? It just works. So, for example, I know some partners who will tell their spouses, their partners, they'll be like, oh, or they'll brag on social media, oh, my partner is the best, the absolute, the most spectacular. I couldn't ask for anybody better. And part of me hurts for them because that spouse isn't going to hear that. That spouse knows damn well. They might be awesome and they might be great for their partner, but they are not absolutely the best, the most spectacular, the blah, 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 right? We're just not. So we tune those out and we stop trusting. So don't do bullshit, please. Be specific, tune in, always find something that you can actually say and mean. And if it's not about a physical appearance, you can just say, there's nobody else I would rather be with tonight. Thank you for being here with me. I am proud that you are with me. Okay? That doesn't say I'm just proud because you look like a trophy wife, right? But it does say I'm proud that you are with me. It's that there's substance to that person. And that even when they feel like shit and they think they look like shit, that they are still valuable. And that is important, right? So there you go. That is my easy peasy way of giving compliments that your partner will absolutely be able to receive, because it's gonna bonk them on the head like baseball. They can't ignore it like confetti. So, all right, I'm Beth Darling, your sexy genius. Go to sexyedschool.com, check it out. Go find my podcast there, Come With Us podcast. And there's a topic on our podcast about almost everything. We've been doing this about a year. So find something fun. Maybe it's about, there's a sexy game of Never Have I Ever that we played, if you want to learn a lot more about yours truly. But anything else, big hugs and love. I will see you soon. Good luck. Let me know, by the way, what happens when you start giving compliments that are too solid to ignore. Leave comments below, like and subscribe. Tell your friends. I'm Beth Darling, your sexy genius from sexyedschool.com. See you soon.